What's good everyone, my name is bboy and welcome to the breaking tutorial for beginners level. Today we're gonna learn one of the most essential transition in breaking. If you've been following my tutorials in YouTube, you probably already know how to do the front sweep, how to work in the turtle position from one side to other, how to make baby freeze, and how to make a transition from the front sweep to the turtle and to the baby freeze. Just in case if you missed those tutorials, I will leave the link here so you can go through them and make sure that you master those important moves and transitions. In today's lesson, we're gonna work with the back rock level and the transition from that level to the baby freeze through the turtle. That transition is one of the most important in breaking, as I already mentioned before. First of all, it gives you opportunity to change the level, but second, that move, the rotation of the shoulders of your body, is actually absolutely the same move that is happening in such power move as windmill. The ability to execute this transition with good technique will simply help you to learn windmill faster and also other power moves that existing in breaking, plus nice transitions with the level changes, and also to be creative based on this basic fundamental move. Before I will go deeper into the technique, let me show you how this transition actually look like. Alright, let's work with this transition step by step. So the first what I want you to do is lay down on your back and to understand which direction you want to make this transition. If your left hand is the one that is more comfortable for you, that means the rotation will go to the right shoulder and you're gonna stand on the left hand. If the right hand is the one that you're using all the time and your comfortable side, try to go to the left shoulder and then go to the turtle on the right hand. Second, pay attention on the position of your hips. They're not touching the floor. Keep them like that, control that position. Number 3, this is a preparational move. So keeping your hips like that, laying down on the floor, your head is touching the floor as well. The next what we want to do is to rotate our shoulders and our body to the right side, because I'm gonna demonstrate the technique to the left hand right now. To the right side, keeping your legs at the same position. Don't do anything with your legs, just go to this side and stay on the right shoulder. Feel this rotation couple times. It has to be pretty comfortable for you to do this. Number 4, once you accomplish that move and it feels good for you, use the right leg, put it into the air. And now together with this leg, you keep the rotation towards the right shoulder, and the leg is going inside under the left leg that you're keeping on the floor. Take a look, slowly I'm making the rotation on the right shoulder, the leg is going inside, and I'm trying to put my hand on the floor, left hand on the floor, and to go to the turtle. Let me demonstrate you that move from other angle. Nothing changes, you start the rotation, the leg is going inside, your head is touching the floor, you're going to the elbow, and from here the hand is moving to the side and you standing to the turtle position. That move is very important because the next what we're gonna do is already almost the full transition. Number 5. Right now what I want you to do is to try to push your hips with the left leg into the air, like that. Make sure that when you're pushing your hips, you're not going here and your hips not touching the floor. You're kind of keeping the straight line. Try to synchronize it with the push and a small shoulder rotation at the same moment. It's gonna look like that. Don't put your hands straight away in the moment of the rotation. At first, feel the movement. Push, rotation. Okay, we're almost there. The next what I want you to do is the move number 6. You have to connect the push, shoulder rotation with the turtle. And nothing changes here. Just in the last moment when your legs are landing on the floor, you're trying to put the left hand to the floor and to get to the turtle position. It's gonna look like this. Try to play with that move. The best way, of course, to try it to the left side and to the right side, because it's very important to know these basic transitions both sides. Once you feeling comfortable in that movement and you catching yourself on the elbow nice and smooth, in the moment when you're landing here, try to put the hand to the side and get your legs into the air to the turtle position. No need to do it fast. Keep the movement the same as we did before, sharp, clean, without rushing. And pretty much the final part of this transition. Once you feel comfortable with the catching your body to the turtle position, try to continue practicing and to minimize the moment when your legs are touching the floor. Basically, you need to reach that moment when your legs are not touching the floor anymore in the moment of rotation, and you're catching yourself straight away to the turtle position. All you need to finalize this transition is just to add baby freeze at the end. So you already know how to go to the turtle. The rest is just a question of technique and body control. From the turtle, you know how to go to the baby freeze if you've been watching the previous tutorials. If not, watch it and learn it. So once you make the rotation and you reach the turtle, the next what you have to do is not to stop there, but keep the flow and rotate your hips to the baby freeze position. Take a look. And now I'm gonna do it a little bit faster without that small stop, as one move. That's all for today. Just keep it in mind. Don't rush while you're gonna practice this transition. Go through every position step by step. Understand how to execute it clean and smooth, and then connect everything into one piece. This transition is extremely important. Don't skip it now, because if you skip it now, you're gonna come back to that one later, and it's gonna be even harder to learn it. Do it now, don't waste your time. Basics are very important. They're gonna open for you a lot of opportunities in breaking. Like this video, comment, share with your friends, and check other tutorials in my YouTube channel. See you next time.